Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to find the energy of exponential signal like this. Energy of x of t is e power minus at u of t. We are going to find the energy of this signal. Then what is the specialty of this signal means? In our introduction of the energy signal video, I have discussed clearly that for a signal x of t, if energy is finite, then we call that signal x of t is energy signal. And one more point we have noted there is all finite duration signals are energy signals. Example, rectangular function. A rectangular function is a limited time duration signal, that is energy signal we have already proved. So if a signal is limited in time duration, that we are calling it as energy signal. Now this signal, if you observe, is it a finite duration signal or infinite duration signal, that we have to decide. It looks like infinite duration signal, then it may not be energy signal as per this conclusion. That is why a small tricky question about this exponential signal energy we are facing. So in this video, let us clear that what is the nature of this signal, whether it is energy signal or not. First let us calculate the energy and then we can analyze the things. First, energy of any signal we are calculating with the formula minus infinity to plus infinity magnitude of x of t square dt. Right. E power minus at u of t. The graph of this signal is like this. At origin it is 1. This is e power minus at. Since only right hand side signal, this is u of t. Fine. Here energy, we can substitute the limits 0 to infinity here. X of t equation is this one. E power minus at actually. If it is minus infinity to plus infinity, x of t directly I am substituting into u of t magnitude square dt. This is the basic definition of energy of this exponential signal. Now from the graph, left side it is 0. So 0 to infinity signal exists, and 0 to infinity u of t value is 1. That's why we are taking e power minus at magnitude square dt. We have to simplify this equation, right? So this is nothing but 0 to infinity e to the power of minus 2at dt. Let us integrate this exponential signal. This is e power minus 2at divided by minus 2a with t value running from 0 to infinity. Fine. Let us substitute those limits. Minus 1 by 2a e to the power of minus 2a infinity minus e power 0. Then here e power minus infinity is there. This is some constant. So e power minus infinity is 0 and e power 0 is 1. So that minus 1 minus minus plus, we are getting 1 by 2a. A is a finite constant. So 1 by 2a is a finite quantity. So energy of this exponential signal given is a finite quantity. That means we are concluding that e power minus at u of t is strictly an energy signal. Right. Now we have to just verify with this conclusion. With this statement, let us analyze this graph. Right. Here what we are saying is all finite duration signals are energy signal. What about this signal? Is it a finite duration signal or infinite duration signal? That we have to confirm here. I am just confirming that here. What is the amplitude of this signal at t value infinity? That means as t is equal to infinity, what about this x of t? That we have to confirm. So x of t is this one. as t tending to infinity, this is nothing but e to the power of minus infinity is here. That means 0. That means signal at t tending to infinity, signal value 0 means there is no signal existing at infinity. If a signal is infinite duration signal, at t is equal to infinity, signal should have some amplitude. Here signal doesn't have any amplitude at infinity. So this should be a finite duration signal. Simply I am writing here e power minus at u of t should be considered as finite duration signal. So the conclusion or the statement what we have observed is correct. Whenever signal is finite in duration, time duration, that should go to energy signal. And one more point what we have to observe is here. Let us consider some numericals and we can analyze some more points here. What is the energy of the following given signals? Let us verify. So e to the power of minus at u of t. The energy is just now we have calculated that 1 by 2a. Then what is e to the power of minus 3t u of t? Energy means simply 1 by 2 into 3, 1 by 6 joules. Finite value, no problem. Then what about e to the power of minus 3t means, is it an energy signal or not, means we have to carefully think that here u of t is absent. This signal graph, this is. And what about this signal graph means e to the power of minus 3t, exponentially decaying signal. I have discussed this signal in the basic elementary signals video. The graph is like this, so I have taken there. That means at a t value minus infinity, here the amplitude infinity, here at 0, this is 1, here at t is equal to infinity, this is 0 amplitude. So this signal, if you observe, it is not an energy signal because here amplitude infinity. Whenever a signal amplitude going to infinity, what we should observe means area of the signal goes to infinity. Whenever area of a signal goes to infinity, what we have to observe is energy also should go to infinity. This is very important conclusion for us. So whenever an amplitude goes to infinity, area must go to infinity. That resulting into energy also goes to infinity. Here this signal amplitude going to infinity. So obviously area going to infinity. Energy also going to infinity means this is not an energy signal. Not energy signal. Right? E power minus 3t. Then what about e to the power of minus 3 mod t? This is also a very important signal, exponential signal. Many times we can observe in the competitive examinations this signal e power minus 3 mod t. So first let us plot the signal, we can confirm there. I am not deriving the energy of this signal. In the next video I am deriving the energy of this signal also. Just here for the time being I am giving the graph. How to draw this graph also I have discussed in the basic elementary signals. So here just is the graph of the signal I am recalling you. This is the graph. Here if you observe, area is finite. If area finite, obviously this is an energy signal. Let us derive this energy of the signal in the next video, right? Thank you.